In this video, we will show the best miter saws available to buy. At number 4. DEWALT miter saw, integrated cut line cross-cut positioning system provides adjustment-free cut line indication for better accuracy and visibility. Capacity to cup 3 5/8 inches nested crown and 3.5 base vertically. Compact, lightweight design, 30 pounds, allows for easy transport and storage. At number 3. Compound miter saw, horizontal D-handle design for easy and comfortable operation. Carbide tipped blade for precision cutting. Electric brake for maximum productivity. At number 2. DEWALT sliding compound miter saw includes the integrated cut line blade positioning system that provides adjustment-free cut line indication for better accuracy and visibility. Dual horizontal steel rails with innovative clamping mechanism and linear ball bearings deliver an accurate, durable and compact saw. At number 1. Hitachi C10FCG miter saw. Hitachi Power Tools has renamed to Metabo HPT. Same great tools, with only a new name. 0 to 52 degree miter angle range to the right and left for increased flexibility. Motor horsepower 2.57 horsepower.